Namaste everyone. I am Anmol Kumar. Welcome in Yoga with Anmol Singh. Today we practice back bending class. Before we start, I want to say if anybody want to learn online yoga class, then can contact with me. In description have everything, so you can contact with me anywhere. And you need two block because of back bending. So we use two block today. Okay, you take two block and sit on yoga mat. Then we start together. Sit in any comfortable position, spine straight. Inhale, raise your arms up, interlock your finger and stretch your body upside. Body and arms straight to one line, look up. Exhale, relax your hand, head down. Inhale, raise your arms up, stretch up, look up. Exhale, relax your hand, head down. Inhale, raise your arms up, stretch up, look up. Exhale, relax your hand, head down. Last time, inhale, raise your arms up, stretch up, look up, and hold in final position. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, relax your hand, interlock your finger back side. Interlock your finger back side, then try to stretch your arms. Inhale. Exhale, relax your hand. Inhale, try to stretch up maximum. Exhale, relax your hand. Inhale, try to arms up maximum. Exhale, relax your hand. Last time, inhale, try to arms up as much as possible. Hold in final position. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, go forward. If possible, then rotate your wrist and try to stretch your arms more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, come center and relax your hand. We do twisting. Inhale, raise your arms up to shoulder level. Exhale, twist your abdomen left side. So drop your right palm on your left knee and try to catch your right thighs or left toes through the left hand. Look back, shoulder one line. Inhale, come center. Exhale, same position, other side. Try to shoulder come in one line, spine straight, look back. Inhale, come center. Exhale, continue left side. Inhale, come center. Exhale, continue other side. Inhale, come center last time. Exhale, twist left side, shoulder try to one line and maintain in final position. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, come center. Exhale, continue other side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, come center. Exhale, relax your hand, relax your leg, cross your leg and come in cat pose. You already know cat pose, only one wrist gap between your knee, palm come down side of shoulder. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look your navel. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look your navel. Inhale, look up. Lift your left leg up, leg try to up maximum, hip try to same height, open your shoulder. Exhale, bend your knee, knee try to touch your forehead. Inhale, leg up, look up. Exhale, bend your knee, knee try to touch your forehead. Inhale, leg up, leg try to up maximum. Last time, exhale, bend your knee, close your knee and forehead and maintain. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, leg try to up maximum, look up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bend your elbow, drop your chest and chin on the floor, then interlock your finger backside and try to stretch your arms. Bend your knee, catch your leg, stretch more and lift your right leg up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax your hand, lift your body up. And exhale, drop your leg between your hand, hip push down. Stretch your back thighs maximum, hip push down, support your thighs. For back bending, you can use block also. Drop your block beside your body, open shoulder and try to go back. You can use this portion also, then go back maximum. And if possible, then lift your both arms and try to go back. Go back as much as possible and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, come center. Relax your hand, palm on the floor and continue leg back side. Come in cat pose. Same position, repeat through the right leg. Inhale, lift your right leg up, leg try to up maximum. Exhale, bend your knee, close your knee and forehead. Inhale, leg up, leg try to up maximum. Take your hip, same height. Exhale, bend your knee, close your knee and forehead. Inhale, leg up. Exhale, bend your knee, close your knee and forehead. Inhale, leg up, leg try to up maximum. Last time, exhale, bend your knee, close your knee and forehead and maintain. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, leg up, leg try to up maximum. Hold in final position. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, drop your leg between. And exhale, drop your chest between your hand, lift your. And exhale, drop your chest between your hand, interlock your finger, back side. Stretch your arms, then bend your right leg, catch your leg, then stretch maximum and lift your left leg up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly relax your hand, lift your body up, and exhale, drop your leg between your hand. Hip push down. Stretch your back thighs from center. Support your thighs, hip push down maximum. So you can support block also, then try to go back. You can drop your palm on floor also, and finally lift your both arms and try to go back as much as you can and hold in final position. Go back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, drop your palm on the floor, lift back, come in cat pose. Continue with Raj Kapotasana first. So inhale, lift your left leg up, and exhale, drop your leg between your hand but flat. I move this side, then you can see easily. Continue, lift your left leg up and exhale, drop your leg between your hand and flat position. Check your body, your back thighs on the floor and your left leg inside little, but your hip bone try to continue on the floor. Body continue forward side and catch your left toes through the left hand and try to hold this position. Look forward, shoulder try to same line. 5. You can use a strap also if you can't catch your leg. 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax this hand and continue, bend your back leg, catch your leg and heel try to touch your second heel. Bend your elbow, exhale, try to push down maximum. Inhale, arms straight. Exhale, bend your elbow. Inhale, arms straight. Exhale, bend your elbow. Inhale, arms straight last time. Exhale, bend your elbow, hip push down, continue, and leg continue push down if possible. Then close your both heel, look forward, face forward side and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. First option, interlock your continue next position if possible. Continue next position. Catch your leg through the elbow. First option, interlock your finger, then slowly your forward elbow upside and stretch your arms, look up. If possible, final position, rotate your shoulder, come in Raj Kapoor position, then put your left hand back side and try to catch your left toes and use back bending, go back and hold in final position. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly relax your leg, relax your hand and leg back, come in child pose. Same position we do through the right leg, so I move that side, then you can see easily. Come in cat pose. Inhale, lift your right leg up and exhale, drop your leg. Back side of hand, adjust your leg. Your back thighs on the floor, then close your forward leg little down. And check your body continue forward. Back thighs compulsory on forward. If not rich, you can use block under hip also and then maintain. Continue, drop your right hand back side and try to catch your right toes. Body continue forward and maintain. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax your right hand and continue. Bend your left leg. Catch your left leg through the left hand and exhale. Bend your elbow. Heel try to touch your second heel. Inhale, arms straight. Exhale, bend your elbow. Inhale, arms straight. Exhale, bend your elbow. Inhale, arms straight. Last time, exhale, bend your elbow. Your heel, try to touch your second heel. Look forward and maintain in final position. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly catch your leg through the elbow. First option, interlock your finger, then try to stretch your arms, look up, and if possible, then rotate your shoulder. First come this position, then drop your right hand inside and try to catch your right toes. And use back bending, go back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax your hand, relax your leg back, and come in cat pose. Continue, maintain this position and drop your chest again. One time move between your hand, but your arms move forward. So open your arms first forward, then hip push back side, your chest come on the floor, and if you want, open shoulder more, then use block under palm. You can use block under elbow also and maintain. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tuck toes in same position and try to leg straight. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax your knee, relax your hand, lift your body. In same position, we do Salavasana or chin stand. So first drop your block back side. You can use this position also, or you can use this position also. Where you feel comfortable, you drop your block. Then your chest come forward side of block. Then catch block. And same position, first try to leg straight and hold here, then lift your left leg up and maintain. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change your leg. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax your leg, and you already understand how to do. So first you check and lift your both leg up. You can bend your knee also and your leg come on your head. I not do final position because easy class, so you try. If possible, I can show also. First come in position, then lift your both leg up. Leg try to up maximum and slowly bend your knee. Understand? I hope everyone can do. So come in final position and maintain same position. Drop your chest on the floor and try to lift your both leg up. Hold in final position. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax your leg. Lift your body up. First come in child pose, arms back side, and relax your hand, relax your body. Lift your body up. Continue. First we do Bhujangasana, Cobra pose or upper facing you can say. Then we do Dhanurasana, bow pose, and slowly we change our posture. So block put now this position, then your belly come on block. Inhale, open shoulder, toes flat and look up. Try to go back maximum. Roll your spine, go back as much as possible and hold in final position. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and slowly try to same position. First relax your body, then lift your both arms up and inhale. Try to go back maximum. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, relax your hand, relax your body, and same position you can relax also. Same position, bend your knee in this position. If you can't do, then knee open more and bend. But final position, continue, close your leg. You can use a strap also, then catch your both knee and bend your leg. First option you can hold here, but you already support, so try to go back maximum and your head touch your leg. Inhale, go back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Come in child pose. First we do little bit twisting, then we do continue next position. So sit down. Inhale, lift your both arms shoulder level. I need go more forward. And exhale, twist your abdomen left side. Forehead try to touch the floor back side. Inhale, come center. Exhale, continue other side. Inhale, come center. Exhale, continue left side and hold in final position. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, come center. Exhale, continue other side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, come center. Exhale, relax your hand. Continue. We do first Dhanurasana. Same position. I use more forward little. Yes. Same position. First, bend your knee. Catch your leg. Then lift your one arm, cross your leg. You check here, cross your leg and always catch back leg, never catch forward, always catch back leg. So lift your one arms and try to catch your back leg. You can catch from here also, but back leg, then rotate your shoulder. Okay, so continue. Then lift your second hand. You can catch your elbow also, then tip top, try to catch your second leg. Open your leg little and try to hold here. You can close also and you can far also. Where you feel comfortable, you hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax your hand, relax your leg. Now we do Dhanurasana without block because we already use too much block and we need to final position also. So we try without block. First relax your back. lie down, abdomen side. You know already how to do both posture. Easy option: bend your knee, catch your leg, and try to lift your body and leg up as much as possible, all body weight on your navel. And some people rotate from here, so you also can rotate from here, but I say catch outside, then try to rotate. And final position you already know: go back, then catch your leg, body weight shift on your navel, and slowly catch your second leg, and try to slowly leg up as much as possible. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax and come in child pose. Now we change our posture, lie down back side, so palm continue here. Lift your body up, coming down facing first. Head try to push back side, lengthen your spine, bend your knee one by one, and try to relax your lower back. Maintain in final position. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, look forward, bend your knee, jump, sit down, and easily lie down back side. And little first separate your leg and twist both sides. Now we do Chakrasana. So close your leg as much as possible, and leg continue only shoulder level, nobody open a lot, and toes continue one line and parallel. Continue. Drop your palm beside your head. Inhale, lift your body up, body try to up maximum if possible, then try to hip up as much as you can, and slowly try to close your hand. Hip up continue, and try to slowly close your hand. Try to, you can come on finger also, and hold in final position. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, relax. Bend your knee, hug your leg, and leg move left and right both sides. We do little twisting. Bend your both knee, continue, and lift your left leg up. Drop your left leg right side and bend your right leg. Catch your right leg through the left hand. Both knee on the floor, both shoulder on the floor, and look left side. Hold in final position. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, come center. Same position, repeat other side. Lift your right leg up, drop your right leg left side, bend your back leg, catch your leg, and twist maximum. Both knee on the floor, both shoulder on the floor, and maintain. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, come center. Relax your hand, relax your leg, and full relax. Slowly move your finger, move your toes. Interlock your finger. Inhale, stretch your arms over your head, toes outside, lengthen your spine. Exhale, bend your elbow, palm under your head, bend your knee, separate your leg and leg move left and right, both sides. Move left side and sit down. Now we practice pranayama. Here weather had too hot, so I practice only two three type of pranayama. First we do Chandravedi pranayama. In Chandravedi pranayama we do breathing from left side. Inhale left side and hold as much as possible, and then exhale right side. So continue. First sit down. First relax your body. Sit in any comfortable position. You can sit in lotus posture also. The spine straight. Hand Jnana Chinna Mudra on your knee. Eye closed. Try to relax your body. One by one, try to relax your whole body part. Now whole concentration on your breath. Try to check the length of breath. Now we start Chandravedi Pranayama. You already know. First close your right nostril through the right thumb. Inhale left side and hold your breath as much as you can. First inhale. Close your both nostrils, head down and hold. Cup center and exhale right side. Continue, inhale left side. Hold. Hold as much as possible. And after finish hold, then come center and exhale right side. Always inhale left side, hold and exhale right side. Holding capacity, try to increase one by one every breathing. Last time. Now we practice Sitkari Pranayama. Inhale through the mouth. Inhale and eat air. Air come on belly. Eat air same like food. Little bit hold, then exhale through the nose. Inhale. Last time. Now we practice Bhramari Pranayama. Close your ear through the thumb and forefinger come on your eyes. Then inhale and make sound. Last time, then relax and try to remember the whole practice of today, what you do. Today we do maximum back bending and just 1-2 posture of twisting. Try to remember whole practice of today. Now we're going to finish. So joint your palm in front of your body, rub your palm. After hit your palm, put on your eyes. Open your eyes and look your palm. Namaste. I hope everyone enjoyed today's class. Today class have back bending and I show you easier also and final position also. Some posture I not so final because I can't, when I see upside I feel dizzy because sky open here and different type of weather, so you can feel situation, but maximum posture I try to show you final position. If have any question, you can do comment in comment box, and if anybody want to learn online yoga class, then can contact with me. Namaste. See you in next